Original.
It's not for the faint-hearted. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Amsterdam. Yeah, we're gonna be spending 2 days here. So today is our first day of exploring the city. We're gonna get breakfast right now at staring at Jacob. So yeah, come along. Yeah. We're at Amsterdam Central now, and we are gonna try there's so many Canal Cruises here with different price options as well. So we're just gonna pick and select any of them and then just go. But they have so many options, like those that come with like cheese and then wine. There's just so many options. Or there are other ones too that is just a boat cruise or a canal cruise. So we're just gonna choose one and then go with the flow. Yeah.
It's also known as the House with 1,000 Windows.
I don't know if it was a good idea getting the boat which is covered like this, or we should have just taken the ones like the open air ones, but it's so hot. This is not refreshing until I stick my head out there. It feels nice.
Amsterdam was facing a major housing shortage, forcing people to live on boats in the past.
We are like almost ending the cruise, but I think it's better in the summer. It's better in the evening because it's extremely hot. So I didn't enjoy it as much as I would have loved to, because it's so hot and so like there's no air, there's no breeze. Maybe because we also got the ones with these covered pin as well. But I think an evening cruise would be so much nicer. An evening cruise would be much nicer. Break. It's so hot, but it's been a nice time so far today. Yeah.
Sweet and sour, same as my life is.
The traditional Dutch mini pancakes, poffertjes. Excuse my Dutch. I just got the simple one with powdered sugar Fresh proper. It's really has this milky flavor, very milky. It just tastes like pancake, but it's rich. Yeah, that's the word. It's rich. It is very rich. I want the original. Yes.
Original.
Original.
Sensacional. Original. Muito, muito bom. Obrigado. Muito quente.
Oh, it's so hot. Thank you. Secure the package. We got these strip waffles also. It's Dutch waffles and then it's filled with caramel. You see it's already oozing out. Oozing. It's so warm. Look at that. I just ate a prophet, I don't know how it's pronounced, but yeah. And then topping it up with this, I feel like I'm on some sugar rush. The prophet. I don't know, it's not so sugary like this. This is much sugary than the other one. So. Let's dig in. I'm having the Indonesian pancake. I forgot what it entails, but I can see some mushroom. No, it has chicken actually. It has chicken. It has some chicken. It has some mushrooms and some sauce. Honestly, I forgot what it entails, but yeah. It's really nice and it's very satisfying. I know I'll be satisfied with this. And then I got some prawn crackers on the side as well. I'm trying Sheila's. She took the omelette with mushrooms and bacon. A bit salty because of the bacon. It's our second day here in Amsterdam. We just had a very good breakfast and we are making our way towards Adam's Lookout. Yes, we have some reservation there today, so let's go. Actually, the swing there is like the highest swing in Europe and we signed up for that as well, so let's go check it out. We just finished the swing. It's not for the faint-hearted. It's not for the faint-hearted. My heart. After spending 2 days here, I must say Amsterdam is an interesting city. Like, you have to experience it for yourself. And I actually see myself visiting again in the future because we really had a good time here. We had a memorable time here. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.